Hi, I'm Betsy of Betsy's Best, and welcome to my home. We continue the 12 days of Christmas, and I don't know about you, but I love waking up Christmas morning to the wonderful smells in the kitchen. That's why I have a great healthy recipe for you and your family Christmas morning. It's a gluten-free banana foster topped waffle, and it includes my gourmet almond butter. It's a simple recipe that's easy to assemble and the family will absolutely enjoy. So let's get started. The first thing you're going to want to prep is the waffle mix. Now, I happen to use a gluten-free waffle mix that is already assembled that you buy prepackaged at the store. All you have to do is add water and coconut oil. It's really easy to assemble that way, or you could do it more complex and do your own gluten-free mix at home utilizing gluten-free flour. You're going to go ahead and prepare the waffles ahead of time. Now, while these are starting to cook, you can start to assemble the ingredients for the Banana Foster's topping. This is very easy. You're going to utilize coconut oil, a tablespoon of coconut oil, a tablespoon of Betsy's Best. You can add a little brown sugar or stevia into that if you want to sweeten it. For me, honestly, adding the bananas in is sweetness enough, and then if you add a little Cool Whip on topping on top, it's the perfect amount of sweetness. But in a pan, you're going to add the coconut oil and the Betsy's Best gourmet almond butter, and you're going to stir these together. It already has the cinnamon inside, it has the pink Himalayan salt, so you already have a base that is flavorful enough to saute those bananas. Now, you could triple or quadruple this recipe if need be, if you have a big family that you're going to serve. This topping, you can then, after you saute the bananas, if you have to keep it warm until everyone wakes up, you can put it over a saucepan and then easily reheat it to top those waffles when they're ready to go. So it looks like our Banana Foster's has finished. It's the perfect consistency and ready to top our waffle. So we just add it on top. You could add a little Cool Whip, whatever you would like. I think it's good as it is. Get all the nice juices and sauces just like a syrup. And we're ready for breakfast. From my kitchen to yours, have a happy and healthy holiday.